Hello and welcome guys. Today we are going to draw a kitchen. So normally kitchen have small, long, wide sizes. Our kitchen is mid-size. I'm drawing a rectangle. REC, enter, click, D, enter, which is actually 15 feet long and only 9 feet wide. So this is how the kitchen look like, and let's draw a wall for 5 inches, and we have a door on this corner. So REC, enter, click, T, enter, 3 feet, enter, 3 feet, enter, click, and bring it to the corner. A little bit inside and trim these 2 lines, and still I'm pushing it to the corner, and it's gonna go about 1.5. Then I'm gonna draw a rectangle from this corner to there and fillet radius 3 feet, enter, click here, click there. So that's our door. I'm gonna trim out this line and the small one pushing away. Okay, so gonna enter this way. We have a small window here. REC, enter, click, D, enter. Let's say the window is 3 feet, enter, by 1 feet, and just to trim out, clicking from the center, bring it to the center, trim out the window, and let's draw a rectangle from here to there, deleting the outline, drawing a line here to there, enter, click again, enter, click here to there, and line, select this one, pulling it to the center, so it's gonna look like a window. Select this and this, including the rectangle, make it a different color, so you're gonna know these are windows and doors. Other than that, we will figure something out if we need anything else. Okay, so the dimension from inside to inside still there, it's not gonna change anything. 15 by 9. Now you enter this way, and then you have the empty room. Now you decide what gonna sit where. So I recently have a project I worked. I have some kitchen accessories we can copy from there, but the dimension of these are also correct, so you do not need to worry about dimensions. Let's say 4-inch floor plan. Okay, this is for a client I did recently. So this is a kitchen, right? We're gonna take this sink, this hood, and the stove and the refrigerator. Let's take this, those boxes we're gonna draw by ourselves. To save time we can take one, but no, I want to show you how to draw it. So Control C and closing this one, Control V, so bring it this one right here. Okay, so I'm gonna rotate this one, so let's take the stove, the cooking range, and the hood, and put it there somewhere for now, because So this side is exterior. We can understand through, we have a window here, and we're gonna have, I mean, we can place our what is called stove or cooking range somewhere on this side. So the hood gonna be on the top. So let me show you the hood. So this is a hood, gonna pull all the hot air and the smell of the food and pull it through this pipe and from the to stove and push it out through this way. Now Control Z to put it back, and we want to place our sink. So where can we place our sink? We can click on the sink, move it from this corner, bring it here next to the stove. Sometimes some people do not like to put it next to the stove because the water can, you know, jump from the sink to the stove, but not always. You can clean your food or vegetable here and place it here, and then you can put it on the stove. Not that difficult, right? Select everything, move it from this corner to that corner. Let me show you the dimensions. DLI, enter, click here and click there. So it's 2 feet 6 inches. It's not too big. Enter, click from this corner to that corner. It's a small, you know, only 2 stove, so it's like 1 feet 9 inches. One thing I have, this corner we're not gonna find a sink like this. So fillet, enter, radius, enter, and no, fillet, enter, radius, enter, 0, enter. Yes, it was good, but if I click here and click there, it's not gonna work because it's a block. I'm gonna double click on it, then open it up, then fillet, enter, radius, enter, 0 is there. Click here and click there and delete this one. It's not that sharp, but sometimes come very sharp, so we'll see. Close this one, save it. Now after the cooking range, we have some space here. If we check it, it's about 1 feet 9 inches. Now if we place a box here, we are talking about down, then we need space here to access it. Does it make sense to you? But we want to approach a different way to use this corner. So we can do it. Let me check the dimension of the stove. Is 1 feet. That's good. So and to 1 feet 9 inches. Okay, REC, enter, click D, enter. 1 feet 9 inch mean 12 and 9, which is 21. So 21, enter, 21, enter. Click, select it, move it to this corner and delete this one. The problem is if we make it as the size, it's not gonna fit there, so you're gonna push it, like make it have a quarter inch both sides, small. So offset, enter, 0.25, enter, and delete the first outline we had. Now let's say DLI, enter. Let's see how much left from here to there. It's 9 inches. But no worries about the hood. Hood is on the top. This line is our outline. Okay. Now CHA is for, we are using chamfer tool. CHA, enter. D for distance, enter. Let's make it 9, enter, enter. So this is gonna be 9 inches, this is gonna be 9 inches, and here you go. but it's gonna it's not going to be a line, it's gonna be little inside, and then we need some it's actually must be aligned with it or little out. So 9 inches is too much. Control Z, Control Z. So CHA, enter, D, enter, 8, enter, enter. Why twice enter? Because this is gonna be 8 inches, this is gonna be 8 inches. If you want 8 by 10, you can do it. So we have 8 by 8, and I think we're good. Okay, now we have refrigerator. Which way we want to open our refrigerator? We don't want to put it here because when we open the door, somebody's head gonna get bumped. So we don't want to, but we want to open it also close to the door. So if someone come in, want to drink some water, they're gonna get it easily. So I placed it there, then move it like 1 feet. So gonna be have little space, and this one gonna open this side. So not gonna hit somebody's head. But still, if someone coming from this way, are gonna get hit their head. So what's the best option we have? I'm gonna keep it here. Alrighty, then we can place our cabinets here. Let me see how much space we have. So we have 4 feet 2 inches. That's good. Why good? Because we can use 2 boxes for 2 feet by 2 feet. So I'm deleting this one. REC, enter, clicking here. Okay, now another problem. DLI, enter. We need to match with, align with this one. This one 1 feet 1 inches. Should be 1 feet. But if it is 1 inch smaller, what will happen? We'll see. So REC, enter, click D, enter. Let's say 12, which is 1 feet by 2 feet. This is a box. Move it from clicking here to there. Now it looks like 1 inch. Not nice. 1 inch should be match with the box. Yeah, 1 inch. I'm gonna push it 1 inch. So instead of 12 inch, I mean 1 feet, gonna be 13. No problem. Oops, what happened? Control Z. One inch. It's making funny stuff. Okay, I'm gonna select this whole thing, stretch it to align with the corner. DLI, enter. So click here, click there. It's showing 1 feet 1 inch, but it is not. So I'm gonna go to my go to format, go to dimension, style, then modify, then precision gonna be 3 zeros. Okay, close. So 1 feet and half an inches. Yeah, no problem. We can make it. Okay, so one box is there. Mirror this one to others. Mirror this one. So become 2. So we have 2 boxes. We can open our door and close our door, and then still we can have this space. But I don't like one thing, from this corner to that corner we have 2 feet 7 inches, which is little tight. 2 feet 7 inch gonna be tight. I'm pushing this refrigerator like F8, little more. Let's say keep it far and bring one of these box. But before I bring this box, I want to make door for this box. So this box is 2 feet, that's correct. This way 12, I mean 1 feet and half inch. So we are going to use the material for these boxes. Let's say if those materials are wood, then most of the time on those sides gonna be 0.75. yes. So if you have 0.75 here and 75 here, then you need to know that your door should not be smaller than half an inches. Yeah, so let's draw a line here. Click here, just draw a line, and then move it like 0.25 and mirror this line to the other side, and then draw REC, enter, from the center. Oh, another problem, this line should be with dimension. Click here, 0.75, enter, escape, then delete the old line, again, select it, mirror it to, no, you do not need to. So REC, enter, from the center, go there. Now you need to have at least 0.125 on the center gap between door to door, otherwise they're gonna bump to each other. So I selected the rectangle, click here, go this way, 0.0625, which is the half of 1/8 of inch, enter, and then we are gonna select this one, mirror, and then we have, this is the center point, click, and here you go. So we should have this corner a little bit, instead of sharp corner, gonna be a little bit round. So gonna be fillet, F, enter, radius, enter, 0.125. let's see how it's look like. Yeah, 0.125 is good. Yes, enter. So they're not gonna hurt anybody's hand, head, or anything. This is the first line we draw, remember? So I have deleted it. Let's select everything, make it a different color, so it's gonna look like our, we are doing something. Let's make it yellow. And if I select this one, delete this one, select this, okay, we will do that, but we should have our handle also done. So let's draw a circle which is gonna be 0.5. It's too big. Yeah, too big. So C, enter, click here, 0.375, and the big one is gone. So let's pull it from here to there, and then push it this way like 1 inch, then push it 1.5 out, toward out. 1.5 is too much. Yeah, let's push it back 0.25, and we can have our arc tool to draw some arc. PE for poly edit, select this line, enter, join this line, enter, trim, take out this line, select this line, mirror to the other side, F8, enter, and then we're gonna push it this way like 0.25. Oops, 0.25 is too much. 0.125, and bring this one back 0.125. I'm extending this one to touch the circle. EX, enter, touch. What happened? Deleting this one, selecting this, mirror it from the center of the ball, and we have our handle. So select this handle, make it different color, but matching is better. So MA for match properties, select this one and select everything, so it's become 1. Select this mirror. Okay, now we should make this one, no, so this one like a block. B, enter, HANDLA. okay, mirror this one, select everything, mirror from this side, click here. So we have 2 cabinet on this side. And okay, one more thing, so we are going to copy this one, bring it on the center, escape, then select everything, rotate just from the center. I'm gonna go back because rotating was very hard when I was a new student. So select everything, Command RO, enter, click on this center point and go down toward your monitor and click. F8 must be on, and then select everything, move, click here, bring it here, and then move, enter, preview, enter, right, like 5 inches. If we push 5 is good. Yeah. Refrigerator, gonna let's push it to this one. It's gonna touch this box, and I think we're good. Now we are going to copy this one, actually mirroring this one. Mirroring is a different way, different way to say copy. Select everything, we can just copy it instead of mirroring from this corner to that corner. Then we're gonna have a special like cabinet here, so 1, but our special cabinet gonna be hide by our refrigerator. Now what is the other option we have? We do not. So no problem, the special cabinet not gonna go anywhere. Match properties, MA, enter, select this one and then matching with this one. Now we're gonna need to draw the door for this one. It's gonna be a little difficult, but we can do it. So let's select this one, move it to like 6 feet. Oops. Move, enter, 6 feet. Now we are going to, so let's say DLI, enter. No, align not gonna work. We need to align. Click here and there. So we have 11.3. From 11.3 we need to think about this space also. So if we make like REC, enter, click D, enter, 5, enter, 0.75, enter, and fillet radius, I think we have 0.0625, yeah, and have 0.125 on the center, and select this one, mirror it through the center, and we have our 2 door, right? Now we need to align this one with that one. So ALI, enter, select object, enter, source point is this one. After I click, this is the destination point, click, then secondary source point is this, destination point is this, and press enter. Scale object based on alignment point, no, enter, and is fit according to the line. Makes sense to you guys? select everything, hold shift and click on this one to deselect, and then move it from this center to that center. Look like it's fit, but I'm afraid the door need to be made little smaller. So match properties, MA, enter, select objects, select everything, enter. There is small line, delete it. Everything, move 6 feet. Okay. Let me see if it's gonna touch the door. Yes, it's going to touch the door. So what they're gonna do, they will make this door little smaller. F8 and 0.75. So they you know what they're gonna do, they're gonna put a small piece of wood here, extra wood, and they will, so instead of one piece, gonna be 2 pieces of wood on the side by side to make some space. Okay, other side not gonna get bothered because of the cooking range. So this one door gonna be like 7.75 smaller than other. Those things actually always happen, but we don't know. We never go and measure our kitchen cabinets. Okay, now we're gonna have a special cabinet here. So let's draw the special cabinet. Before that, I want to make this corner to this corner. Let's bring it here. CO, enter. F8, then RO, enter. I'm rotating it. F8. Hello, F8. Okay. Now we are going to copy this one from there to here, and let's push this door like 0.75 like other, and we have this space. DLI, enter. Let's see how much we have. 2 feet and 1 inches. It's not enough the box we want to make, but that's all we got. What are you gonna do? Yeah, let's check something. So let's say REC, enter. Click here to click there. Let's bring it on the center. It's too much. Okay, so REC, enter. Select from click this corner. It's not sharp. Yes, it's sharp. Click here, then pull this one out like 8 inches. Oh, 8 gonna be aligned with that one. Yeah, nice. 8 is too much, guys. I'm gonna pushing it back like 2 more inches. It's gonna be 6. CHA, enter. D, enter. 6, enter. Enter, then click here, click there, enter, click here, click there, enter. How much space left in the center? 1 foot 1 inch, which is too small. Now what we can do, we can make this box, instead of this is a big box, let's make it one small box. 0.25. Trimming extra line, select this one, pushing it here. Okay, we should draw this whole thing .25, not 0.25, yes, DLI, enter, select this one, select this one, 0.3, which is 0.25. Alrighty, yeah, then we're good, and then we're gonna push this one this way, 0.25. Now we have more space. How much space? DLI, enter, select object, 11.6, delete, select everything, stretch 11.6, and it's touching, actually more than touching. Now what you're gonna do, our touching thing, select only this area, and then shift and hold this one, then stretch only this one. Now it's look like this. Alrighty, now look good. I hope it's look beautiful. Okay, let's take everything, CO, enter. Okay, I don't know why it's being like this. Selecting this one, now selecting this one, copy it from this corner, take it there, and then let's mirror it and see what's the difference left. Okay, so after mirror we have DLI, enter, we have 0.7. Okay, I'm gonna draw a line here, offset it 0.0625 on the both side, so it's mean on the center gonna be 0.125. Selecting with the handle, everything as, enter, click here, bring it here, but it's not gonna bring this one. So let's move it. But if we move, then another problem gonna create. What can we do? Okay, the logic is, let's draw a line from this corner to this one and keep it there. Now we are going to pull this to there, and then pull this one, push it, bring it there, then hold the handle from this corner to there. It's gonna be same as all of other. Delete everything including this one, select this, mirror, center, and here you go. MA, enter for match properties, click on this one, select this beautiful one, and we're good. We can make this corner look like door, but we don't want to because we're gonna put glass on it. How are we gonna put glass? We need to put like door. Okay, let's check the dimension. Click here, click there, 8.5. If we make it, we need to make it smaller, otherwise this one not gonna open. Okay, REC, enter, D, enter. So let's say 6.5, enter, 0.75, enter, click, then align it, ALI, enter, select object, enter, first source point, click here, first destination point, click here, then secondary Our source point is here, destination point is, let's say, there, and press enter, and bring it to the center. Let's see if this one gonna open without bothering. Yeah, because actually when this door open, then they not go there as we are showing here. It's gonna stay more on their spot. Okay, so fillet radius, enter. I think we have the same selection as before. Click here, click there, and merge properties. Click here, click there. I'm mirroring it to the other side, so this box gonna look like this. Yay! Okay, now I'm selecting this side and mirror it to the other side. So I'm gonna click on this corner, press F8, and gonna go to this corner, click enter, and you see, yay, sit perfectly. Now problem, what is the problem? Problem is this corner look beautiful. When you come, you can access and you can see it's gonna look better, but this corner, how are you gonna deal with this corner? The space is not enough to fit one more corner box there. So what we can do there, I'm just checking something, so I'm copying this one here, then rotate it. F8 must, okay, F8 must on. If we take this box to this corner, and then we can bring it, bring. If we make it like this, how it's gonna be work? It's gonna work, but we do not need to have this tour, and we need to push this one to that corner. Yes, and click here, click there, and delete them. Push it inside 0.25. Now so I'm clicking on, I was thinking to make this one little bigger, but instead of making this one bigger, let's push this one click here, push it there. So we're gonna have this box is longer than supposed to be. In this corner we can open, you know, one door at a time instead of opening every door. So when we open this one, that one not gonna open, but we need to bring this handle here. But if we bring handle here, we're not able to use this corner, so must be handle is there. So we're gonna close this one and then open this, then you can reach this corner. Okay, now let's see if we can fit one of this beautiful one on the other side. I just mirror it, bring it, guys, not a big deal, you can do that. Yep. And we can have a shelf here and then keep some space for the window. And let's see, Now before I see, now I see, enter. Click here, click there, delete these 3 lines. Fillet radius 9, enter. Just assume it's gonna be 8, 9. Yeah, 9 gonna be almost from this corner. It's only 1 inch left. It's good. So it's just shelves from bottom to the top. You can keep things, but no door, no window. So guys, we just complete our floor plan of the kitchen cabinet. Okay, just for to show our dimensions, I'm just drawing a dimension line, linear. Click here, click there. This is 2 feet. Enter. Click here, click there. This is a refrigerator. Enter. Then oops, DLI. Enter. No. So we have a primary idea about all the most of the dimensions, and this is how you can draw a kitchen according to their dimensions. Also, you can ask the customer about the refrigerator placement and the sink and the cooking range, the stove, if they have any requirement. So if there are more space and you can have one of like this one of corner on the other corner, it's gonna look awesome. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned few things. I know you are pro on AutoCAD, and if I missed anything, let me know. And if you want to see something, you want me to draw something which is gonna be helpful for your projects, let me know. I have some time right in these days, and when I'm gonna go back to my work, you're not gonna catch me anytime soon. So take care and see you on the next video, guys.